Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to new video. Today one of the best property for sale, Chikmagalur district, 40 acres agriculture land for sale. SAKKREPATTANA village, KADURU mandal, Chikmagalur district, 33 acres land recorded and registration land, 7 acres land KARAB land. This property single owner property, general property. This property inside 8 borewells available. Coconut planets 3000, mango planets 230, SAPOTA planets 185, TEAK plant 1250, NONI plants 600, ACASIA 5, simply 3, NILAGIRI 5, NILAGIRI 5, KADU BEVU 300, poultry farm 3800 capacity, poultry feed miller 1 per hour, labor houses 4200 square feet, labor construction house is available this property. This property pump house is available. Pump house, labor houses is available, visiting houses 2 houses is available, residential house is 1 available, godown 1 available. Rabbit farm 1200 feet, 12,000 square feet rabbit farm, transformers 2 transformers, water tank above 70,000 liters water, under storage water 1,50,000. The different of water tank is available. Goat farm 5,000 square feet available, cow farm 3,000 square feet available. Totally per acre cost 22 lakhs per acre cost. Anyone interested, please contact to this video. Please share me contact to my WhatsApp number. More information, video description, all details is available. Total land details, you once you check it through Google Map, I will contact you. Send to message WhatsApp only.